Introducing the SlingGrille, a next-level center grill replacement for your Polaris Slingshot. This isn't just a grill, it's a full-blown LED matrix panel that completely transforms the front end of your sling. The SlingGrille is encased in a precision-molded acrylic housing with a protective lens keeping the screen safe from potential road debris. Choose from over a dozen different acrylic colors for the surrounding grill, as well as the trim piece that frames the screen. You can keep it simple or contrast colors for a unique look. Best of all, it mounts up in no time using your existing factory hardware for a simple and clean installation. The SlingGrille's built-in power harness is ready to go. Just run it over to the glove box for power and the SlingGrille fires up with your ignition. The included phone app, available for both iOS and Android, lets you take full control. Choose from hundreds of animations. Here's a quick demo of just a few of the custom things you can showcase on the SlingGrille. If adding a custom LED matrix center grill is on your Slingshot mod list, hit us up at slingmods.com today to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.